No, I didn't vacuum the floor yet. Shit, I'm just happy well, I said I put grocery away from last month, but hey, you know what? They're fine right there. It's not like I have a lot of, I'm gonna put my rice up here somewhere over there. Storage space, so things go where they're not in my way of walking. Yeah, and for those of you who live in an old house, I'm gonna show you really quick. Okay, blink. Okay, there you go. That's a garage lighting. 8,800 lumens or something like that. Yeah. Because I'm not getting on no ladder. Oh, hell to the no. Yeah. Oh, I just got my medicine. Oh, I gotta take a little breaky poo. What is that? Oh, wax stuff that I need to put underneath the cabinet with the other wax stuff. Magic, what are you doing, little boy? Did Mama give you an obstacle course trying to get into the old resin room? The freezer. I'm thinking about keeping those boxes, but I don't know where. Oh, I'm getting 30-gallon bags in, and I'll roll it down the stairs to the basement. But in the meantime, I'm gonna put the rest of Don's groceries away, and there, yes, son. He always wants attention, but not in the bedroom. What is up with that? Potatoes that I need to put in jars and suck the air out, but I'll do that tomorrow. I just need to get rid of the bulky packaging. So now I can put that in, I don't know where you put your stuff. I put it in the refrigerator until I put it in jars, and then I suck the air out, and then I'll put it over here on the shelf with my other suck-outable stuff. Oh, I've come a long way, and I got a long way to go. Yeah, see, you use lots of bottles for lots of different reasons. The round one, I know it's exactly what's in that one. I know the square one next to it's exactly what's in that one. And this one over here somewhere. Where is it? I don't know. It's over here somewhere. Oh, there it is. This is my best batch yet. My very first batch. And I only have a little teeny bit left. Sorry. And I know Ryan gave me this bottle. Thank you, Ryan. I know exactly what's in here. How can I remember that and not other yeah, you know what I'm trying to say. Mint, fresh mint, dill, lemon, and kale. Now you say, well, Tasha, why the fuck would you match it? Because it was left over and I didn't want to throw it away, because I got to stop throwing away food. And I got to stop buying all seasonings. So I've got garlic and onion up there. I've got some carrots and more garlic, because I like garlic. I love me some garlic, okay? And other green onions up there. That is self-rising flowers in that one. The other flowers are on the bottom, so I don't get them mixed up. And lots of flash frozen foods. I mean, you know, foods with no liquid in it. You know what I'm trying to say. Anyway, I am so happy that I started doing this. So today, what is it today? That asparagus that I didn't eat from last week. And celery. Yeah. And then I'll just put it in there for right now. Until I buy another pretty bottle to put it in, and I'll know exactly what's in that. See, and there's your own seasoning. All your own everything. So got to get ready to do dishes. I'm going to tape that to that so I don't lose that. And start dehydrating something else and something else and something else. And I'm so proud of myself. Look. Nicer. A little bit nicer than yesterday, huh? So now what I'm going to do is take all these bins of stuff Ryan gave me yesterday. Don't step on your caftan, Tasha. You will die. And I got to rearrange a little bit. Just a little bit, and put that over there. And like magic poof, there we go. Huh, baby boy. Oh, let me move that out your way. Sorry. Oh, there we go. Okay. Freed up some space. Move that over because those have a handle to pick up. That doesn't. Now I'm going to scoot that down. And then I'll have more room right here for all the stuff that I readily use. Did you guys see what I made yesterday? Finally, I'm so happy. These are the ones that wouldn't work on my used Sizzix. I gotta get the little bend thing. Do I have one over here? I bet I do. Love this desk. I think it's more important for me to have that over here. Thank you, Don. Thank you, Don. Now, let's put this one over here. I gotta make myself accountable, you know? And this is how I do it, by making these videos. Okay. Let's put that in there. Let's put that in there. There's the hot plate. That's gonna stay there. And that's probably gonna go on this other side over here. I can hot plate right-handed, but I'd rather press left-handed. Yeah. So I'm gonna whew. Okay. That took some work. Let's see if I can move this down a little bit. Good. Now I can move his bed over a little bit and block some of that air that's coming through there. Because sometimes it's nice. Like right now I'm hot. It's nice. But yeah, in the winter, I got to put plastic back up on the door. Okay. See, I can put another little, one of these tray things over there. Ah, this feels much better. Now I need to clean off my desk a little teeny bit. And that's going to make me feel mo better, mo better. Here you go over there. I got to get me another little plastic envelope or something to keep all these bigger ones that I made. Keep them nice and neat. I don't know, but I'm going to do something with that, you know, because I don't waste. All right, Tasha, now all we need to do, oh, maybe, where's the other thing? Oh, right here in front of my face, sorry. Maybe we can go like that, huh? No, I still don't like this on this side for some reason. I don't know. Whatever. Did you guys see my other video? The lady told me from what is this place on YouTube? Oh, it's not recommended that you use other dyes with our machine. Like I'm just supposed to go out and spend another $100 on dyes from your company, a very expensive. They're super expensive. Well, they're more expensive than Sizzix. I'll put it that way. No. And that's not to put them down. It's just the truth. They are more expensive. So, yeah. Okay, just a little bit more to do, Tosh. And then we can go back to the bed office and work some more on the journal. Let me leave all my little notebooks in here somewhere. See, this type of stuff is what I like to, just like slide in there. So I always know right where it is. Yeah, slide over a little bit more, Okay, thank y'all. Oh, where's my receipt? Y'all gotta keep that damn receipt. You know that. Yes. Here, let's put you in there too. And let's put you in there. I have 3 things. Where's 3 books? Well, it's around here someplace because you know I didn't throw shit away. Not yet. And this is this is the chart for using different